Friends, good morning. Welcome back to our English class. How are you all? I hope everyone are doing good. So my dear children, in the previous class we have discussed the lesson A Test of Archery. So how many characters are there in that? Totally 5 Pandavas characters and 1 teacher character. What's the name of the teacher? Tell me anyone. We have discussed in the previous classes now. Who is the teacher of Pandavas? Dronacharya. Who is the teacher of Pandavas? Dronacharya is the teacher of 5 Pandavas. What are the names of 5 Pandavas? Tell me anyone. Yes, what is that? Yudhishthira. See here, look at the board. Yudhishthira, Bhima, Arjuna, Nakula and Sahadeva. How many members are there totally? 5 members are there. Yudhishthira, Bhima, Arjuna, Nakula and Sahadeva. So what the task the teacher had given to them? Actually where they are now? They went to the forest which is near to the school. So while they are going to the forest, what they have carried with them? Only simply they have went to the forest, huh? No. Then what they have carried with them? Yes, they have carried bows and arrows with them. So after going there, what the teacher had told them? Is he made some more techniques to learn the Pandavas? No. Then what he said? I have learned you many more things, but today I am going to take the test of your 5 members. So what was the test the teacher had given to them? Tell me anyone. Yes, what was the test? Yes, to shoot the bird at the right eye of the bird which is sitting on the tree. So there was a tree and on the tree a bird is sitting. So what's the task here now? To shoot the right eye of the bird. So what the Pandavas said? Yes, it is very easy. It is very simple task. We all will pass in the task master said. But do they pass? No. How many members had failed there? Yes, Yudhishthira had failed, Bhima failed, Nakula failed and Sahadeva also failed in their given task. Now who is left there? Arjuna. So in this class we shall discuss what the Arjuna is going to do. Do he pass in the test or do he fail in the test? Today's class we shall discuss. Okay my dear children. Then I also have given some homework to you. Have you remembered or forgotten? What was that? Yes, to underline the hard words and write the meanings in your notebook. Have you done? If not done, write down today, okay? See here, now open page number 21. Shall we start now? Keep the finger where I am reading. So Dronacharya is calling to Arjuna here. Stop Sahadev, you can't shoot the bird. Arjun, where are you? So Dronacharya, teacher is asking to Arjun, where are you? Then Arjuna is saying, I am here sir. So what he is saying? I am here sir. Then Dronacharya, are you ready to shoot that bird? So teacher is asking to Arjuna, are you ready to shoot the bird? Then what the Arjuna is saying? I see, yes sir, I am. So what he is saying? I am, yes sir, I am. So he is telling confidently that he can do that. Then Dronacharya is asking, what can you see in front of you? So what Dronacharya is asking? What can you see in front of you? Arjuna is saying, I see only the bird's right eye. So what he is saying there? Only the bird's right eye. Then Dronacharya is saying, can't you see anything else? So what the Dronacharya teacher is saying? Can't you see anything else? Then Arjuna is saying, no, I can't. I see only the bird's right eye. Dronacharya, what color is the bird? So what he is saying? What color is the bird? See in the next page, Arjuna, I can't see the bird's body. So Arjuna is keeping focus on only the bird's eye, not even the bird's body too. So Dronacharya, very good Arjun, shoot. Then Arjun shoots and the arrows hits the birds in the right eye. His brothers and Dronacharya clapped. What they have did? They have appreciated to whom? To Arjuna. Dronacharya, to Arjun's brother, learn to look at the mark. Then only you will be able to hit it. So what he is saying here, see, When Dronacharya said Arjuna to shoot, and whenever he is asking what you are seeing in front of you, then Arjuna is saying, I can see only the bird's right eye. Then again teacher is asking, what is the color of the bird? What is the color of the bird? Then what Arjuna is saying, I can't even see the bird's body there, I can see only the right eye of the bird. Then what Dronacharya has said, very good. Shoot it now. So then Arjuna had shooted to the bird and it fell down. So all of their whose brothers? Arjuna's brothers, and the teacher Dronacharya had given the claps to them. Why? Because he had won the task, isn't it? Yes. So all of them were appreciating to the Arjuna. In what way they are appreciating? By clapping to Arjuna. So then Dronacharya is saying to all the brothers of Arjuna, whenever we are giving a point to you, you people had to focus on that, not even for any other, just you had to focus on the given point. So this is the lesson. What you have learned from this lesson, dear children? Tell me. Yes, what is that? For example, if you are keeping any goal, if you want to become a doctor, so what you have to do? Simply you will say that I will become doctor, I will become doctor. Is it enough for you? No, you had to struggle hard, you had to work hard for your goal, you had to reach your destination. In what way you had to reach? Only I will become doctor, otherwise I will become a police. In this way if you say, can you win in your life? You can't. So you had to work hard from now only. So not only in the goal, even for your exams also you had to prepare well. Then only you will get a good marks, and your parents and your teachers all will appreciate you, isn't it? Will they appreciate or not? Yes, they will appreciate, and in front of all the classmates they will give you all the classmates will claps at you, isn't it? So in this way you also had to keep a focus on your studies, okay? Don't be spoil your life. And this is the lesson we have completed till now. So today we have completed the lesson, a test of archery. So here we have learned this lesson of 5 Pandavas and the teacher Dronacharya. Have you understood the lesson or not? Have you understood? Yes, I hope it's a very easy. And you also, after saying me, that's not enough only listening, you people also had to read the story, okay? Then only you will know how to converse between yourself and your friends, otherwise how to talk with your teachers. You will get little bit points from the lesson, okay? So you have to read the lesson, and if you are finding any hard words, just write down that, and if possible you write the conversation between you and your friend regarding the examinations, okay? So this is your homework. In the next class we shall complete the reading one, and some bits are there, we shall see in the next class, okay? Till then be ready for another video and complete your work, okay my dear children? Till then keep smiling and bye bye.